All right, welcome back. So we are asked to evaluate this integral. So we are asked to evaluate this. And basically, I will always say this if you've not seen where I explain how to integrate parent function of many functions, please, the video is attached, it's on this channel. So kindly watch it so that you see when we integrate exponential function, trigonometric function, all those type of functions, you just know the basic parent functions. So what we are going to do here is solution. So we are going to separate this using sum rule. Okay, so let me put it sum rule. So we say the integral of e power x dx plus the integral of cos x dx, then plus the integral of 5x power 4 dx. So we just integrate all these different functions. So if you integrate this is going to give you e power x straight. And this will give you plus sine x. Then I say plus, we now have power rule here. So this is going to give you 5x power 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1, then plus c. All right, so this is going to give e x power x, now sine x, plus 5x power 5, because 4 plus 1 is 5, over 5 plus c. So if we simplify this will now give you ex plus sine x, then plus x power 5 plus c. So that is how to evaluate this type of integration.